Okay, we're here at Star City. The boys are excited. No. Are you excited, Choi?
Yeah!
Excited to play?
Oh, fuck.
The boys are entering. Let's go. Liam, saya-saya. Playing Snow World. So, Star Pass, 779. Star City, Merry Christmas! Excited na mga bata. Okay, briefing. Liam, nauna ka na. Put a stamp, put a stamp. Stamp, stamp. Good job. Very good. Good.
Come here.
Yeah! Umpisa pa lang. Masyado silang ano? Masyadong distracted. Hindi pa nakakalayo. Entrance pa lang. So, ano nang gustong gawin? Excited na mga ungas. Yung isa na iwan dun, oh.
Leonard! Leonard, where are you?
Ungas. So we will be riding this one. Woo!
Hi, Liam! Did you have fun? Huh? You had fun? Nahilo ka? Where's your Choy?
Nahilo ka? Nahilo si Gag. Next stop, the carousel. Bawal. Hello! Saan ang train na nito? Yan, no? So you have to be 54 inches. So we're on to the bumper cars. Bumper cars we go. Okay, go, General Boy. Mag-isa lang niya. Kasi children must be at least 42 inches and not more than 48. So wala na ibang pwede. Si Liam, sorry. Go! Tapang binibiboy ko. Wow! Aura farming! Go, Liam! Go, Liam! Throw! Stronger! Harder! Harder!
One also.
Wow! Shoot! Shoot! Very good, my boy! Oh, almost! Liam, grabe ka naman ba to? Go! Stronger ah! Ano ba yan? No, you did not! No more na! Another disappointed customer. Hindi kami pwede dito sa Seahorse. 48 inches. 44 lang si Jenard Boy.
Yay!
Okay, dalawa lang magkapatid dito. Sa kiddie wheel. Ito na kasi oh. 34 and 42. Go boys!
Loko ka.
Naiiwan yung sapatos. Liam, anong ginagawa mo?
Okay,
Inutusan pa.
Liam. You wanna ride?
Yes, Joy.
Ang kururot eh. Bye. Good job. Hindi pa kayo na din sa ito.
Yan boy! Nainggit, nagpakita lang gago. Wow, ang bilis! That's done. They're gonna try the fun swing. Go, 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 go! Oo na, mag-video ako eh. Sama ka. Alright! Wow!
First time pala siya siya ba gano'n?
Oh. Kumakabit na. Wow. Excited yung dalawang ungas. Sukat-sukat. Malas si Chuy-Chuy sa tumatangkad. Tuwa mga mas.
Wow!
Hi Liam! Tuwang-tuwa ang magjowa. Liam! Ang magjowa. Husband and wife. Liam! Whoa! Gonna go to dinosaur. Dinosaur alive. Let's go, boys! Whoa! Whoa! What's this one, boy? What's that? Pterodactyl, very good. Takot? Takot, ang gago. Wow!
You want the pink?
What's that? Oh, T-Rex! A T-Rex, oh boy! Ayun po yun, Bronchosaurus. Digital Surround Theater.
Ay, doon pala. It's a puppy there.
Dilim. Digital Surround. Carpet area, let's go. Sit down. Sit down, boys. We're gonna watch. Surround sound. Wow. 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 Amazing. Wow. Wow. Jellyfish.
Look at the back.
Squid. Wow. What a jellyfish. The turtle over there.
Oh, a hammerhead shark.
Yeah.
Hey, Chichi, look at the back. There's a whale. Oh.
Manta ray. Where do you wanna go, my boy?
To the haunted house.
How? Let's go! Excited pumunta sa gabi ng lagim. Tingnan natin tapang nyo. Liam! Let's go! Gabi ng lagim.
Hello.
Time warp zone. Ooh. Ito lang pala yun? Kala ko naman parang yung mga may salamin. Ah, ito lang pala yun? Puta. Kala ko yung may salamin, gabago. Wala ba yung mga magic mirrors dito? Wow! Dance, dance.
dance, dance. Ching, 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 ching. Ara dance, go.
Oh. Niyak-iyak mo na naman. Why are you gay? Wow, mommies. Ito na mes malamig, no?
Ano ba ganun talaga?
Hala, nabuhay yung mami. Just Zeus. Jesus ka dyan.
Sabi, Zener?
Si Liam. Si Liam.
Pressure niya.
Oh, Yamashita's treasure.
Ako na yung nahanap, nandito na pala siya.
Kaya nga.
Kuha. Oh, si Bongbong Marcos, oh. Oh, shark. Are you scared, Liam? Are you
Oh, it's a
scared?
huge penguin, no?
Wow.
Hello, penguin.
Oh, go up, go up. Dinosaurs. We're covering your eyes, Liam.
Let's na ba? Sa masala to?
Mekaniko ni Monico ang makina ni Minika ni Monica. Mekaniko ni Monico ang makina ng Minika ni Monica. Palakang kabkab kumakalabukab. Kakakalabukab pa lamang kumakalabukab na naman. Kalabit ng kalabit si Alabit na may bitbit sa balikat ng kanyang kalapit balikat. Pitong puting tupa. Kapapansiterya mo pa lang, magpapansiterya ka na naman. Pinaputi ni Tepitero ang pitong puting putong patong-patong. Ito yung mirror, ito yun, mirror. Ang dilim naman. Ano na kwenta mirror to? Ba't ang dilim? Exit. Are you having fun, Chuy? Yeah? Hindi na takot sa rides?
Takot.
Takot pa rin? Takot sa carousel? Ha? Hindi na. Very good. Kiss nga ako. About you, my boy, are you having fun? Yeah? Really have fun? Good. Kiss nga, baby boy ko. Wow! Good job, my boy. Lagay mo na dyan. Oy, nice. Go, Ned boy! Go, 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 go! Done. Oh, Chuchu, your turn. Chuchu, your turn. Okay, next turn. Chuchu's turn. Go, Joy. Go. Tatlo kay ano. Go, Joy. Ano ba yan? Bilisan mo. Yan, go, 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 go. Yes. Next. Oh, best. Bayan. Ano na ba yan? Oh, nagwala na, nagwala na. Go, best. Bayan, isa rin to eh. Oh, ano ba yan? Bayan! Ako nga, next. Isa rin to eh, oh. Yun, nakaisa. Bayan! Nangiengot eh. Uy, okay na rin. Yun! Sana ko pa liburtan, nakatatlo siya! No more. Wow!
Secret magnet. So first just insert the power. Now you try it. You hold it. Okay, tap it here. Pull it up.
Pull it up. Wow! You need to pull it up fast.
Oreo, look. Oh look, I have an Oreo here and I will bite it. This one don't try it because I already put it in my mouth. You don't know like this, just hold it. You don't know like this, just pretend. After you eat it, then you blow. If you
Oh.
want, okay? Or this one, I'll show you this one, the magic ball. I have a bullet here. What is the color of ball? Do you have a bullet here inside the shell?
No.
Okay, so what is the color of ball again?
Blue.
Look, by shaking this, it will become red.
Wow!
See, but no bullet here, right? Yeah. Look, I will insert here again. By shaking this, it will become blue again. This one, the secret, just rotate the box. Yeah, no, this one, they have a tubal here inside the ball.
Oh.
Inside the box, sorry. Just rotate the box. So easy and simple. And this one, the magic book. Oh, I'll show you this one, the magic book. I have a book here. Look at the book. It's a black book. But look, if I rotate, they have a draw it now. If I rotate again, now will snap. Oh, this one, the secret. First, open up the lower corners with a black. Then the second, the top corner, and the last one, the middle side. Who wants to try?
Go try to
Okay,
boy.
try it. Open it here like this. Give me your hand. Both hands. Okay? And the other one, give me your hand. Okay, open it. So it's a blank. Then the second, the top corner. They have a draw, right? And the last one, the middle side. That
Wow!
one or this one, the magic light. Oh, open your hand.
Yeah, magic light.
Open your hand. Okay, I get the light of your hand. And I will throw up. Look. It's here, here.
Oh.
I will insert here. I get it here. I will it. Oh, you hold the light. Close your hand. Close. Hope it's here. Oh, you try it. You hold the light. Close your hand. Hope it's here. Oh, the secret. A pink thumb. Look at the tape top. It's a big right. You don't like this. Just cover by your finger to hide it and pinch it. Because your friend focus at the light na at your thumb. So if you like the magic light, this is the magic light. And I show you this one, oh, kuya, look. The magic worm.
Yan ba yun? This worm, the worm mo. I think you will like the worm.
Tralalega, tralala, tung 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 sahur, waki up. Oh, you touch the nose of Waki, touch the nose. Touch it. Oh, sorry, Waki is shy. Waki is sumad, ah. Waki is dead, but if you get it's alive again. Oh, if you like the magic worm, this is the magic worm. Oh, by the way, which magic do you like in here?
Right, so after the rides on Star City, we're here now at ito, Umimatsu Japanese restaurant. Let's go. Our order as a ride. Ito.
Good.
Sa shake roll, salmon sushi. Unique roll, beef. Donkatsu, rice bowl. Chahan rice. Happy eating. Happy eating. Congrats, Lay. Thank you, Leia. Thank you, Lay.
Mahang? No, don't play with your food.
Yummy. Boom, subo. Boom, subo.
Okay? Liam. Yan. How about you then? Your husband.
No!
Your best friend.
Not funny.
Dalawang kamay. Subo niya pa yung kamay niya.
Focus on the pasta.
Good job, Liam.
Bagay sa mukbangan yan eh. Oh. Sarap kumain eh.
Ang din.
Nakawala sa hawla. Kasi muna ng gago. Medyas pa si gago.